it's raining out here, but just saw my dream car. Man, it's raining out here, but just saw my dream car. Pretty dope, pretty awesome. Can't wait. Acura NSX, seen it in person for the first time. I'm hyped. So, yeah, man, this thing pretty dope. Pretty second. Hey, the dude was all cocky with it. But, hey, I won. But we at the Yahtzee Run. I don't think I'm going to be going to different locations. If you're not a part of the ArtOfSpeedd family, hit that subscribe button. Welcome to the family. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video.